We have certainly seen some volatile days in the crypto market. Just recently, Bitcoin dipped under $100,000 for the first time, really, since June. That psychological number we really would love to stay above, I believe, is pretty important, but there's a ton of reasons to be extremely bullish. Taking a look at the overall market, Bitcoin sitting right around 104, 105,000. We did bounce off of that bottom tick to a pretty decent range. Ethereum right around 3,500, Solana a little bit above $160 per token. Now, of course, nobody loves volatility, or at least in the present moment, we don't love volatility. It can get very uncomfortable, but it gives us a lot of opportunity to dollar cost average into some of our favorite positions. Fundamentally, nothing is broken, nothing is wrong. When we zoom out, we're sitting in an absolute great spot. We have some things to be very excited about. We still have ETFs for Bitcoin, for Ethereum, some developing for Solana, and more to come. And there are ETF buyers. We also have the 401k access that is coming very, very soon. We have financial advisors literally learning about blockchain, crypto, helping their clients invest in crypto assets every single day. And I don't think we've even scratched that surface. And then we have the current administration, who is extremely bullish on the current market. Trump warns China is growing very fast in Bitcoin and promises a US lead. We literally have the most powerful man in the world talking bull posting. We have Scott Bessent bull posting Bitcoin. Honestly, even though volatility can be very shaky and at the present moment it could just feel like the world is ending because you're watching your gains disappear, that can just be a slight washout until we make that next leg up. Personally, I am as bullish, I feel as comfortable as ever. I don't love to see us dip. Nobody loves to see us dip, but when we do, I look on the bright side that it feels like some of our favorite opportunities are absolutely on sale. Hopefully we carry that into an absolute epic Santa's rally. Here's an extremely interesting data point about Bitcoin, about some of the ETFs. The average Bitcoin cost basis is right around 89,600 for those Bitcoin ETFs. Now, this is written whenever the current Bitcoin price was right around 100,000. We have bounced since then and we're seeing some strength. But this notably aligns with a really key technical zone from April when Bitcoin reversed off its 2025 low after a prolonged stretch of selling pressure. So if there's any indication, this is pretty much the closest we got to that number for quite some time, and it does look like we're starting to rebound. And I get it, I'm a permabull. I absolutely love this space. The volatility doesn't shake me up as much as the normal person, but I understand it can be uncomfortable. But there's some major crypto whales, some institutional buyers out there that are absolutely jumping on this volatility, and they look at it as an opportunity. And one crypto whale in particular who had some very nice trades, looking through this article, especially right around the United States-China trade tariffs, right around a $55 million long position on Bitcoin and Ethereum. So even though the crypto market is seeing some volatility, it doesn't mean people are not still innovating and building around this space. And prediction markets has been one of the hottest metas, something we talk about within our private community. We talk about on these market updates. And Gemini, the Winklevoss twins, they're one of the largest centralized exchanges to find, seek through the CFTC approval to launch their own regulated prediction markets. I don't think prediction markets are going anywhere anytime soon. And with Polymarket and Kalshi absolutely booming with this high growth, we have a lot of people getting in on it. We just mentioned Gemini. We have Robinhood. In addition to that, we have MyPrize, which is really trying to deliver a fun and engaging experience for players through these prediction markets with a partnership with Crypto.com. Thanks again for joining me for today's market update, and we'll see you on the other side. Also, real quick, if you're not already part of a subscription service, we have a great offer to share with you. For only $1, you can join our private community, the Momentum Moneymakers, where we talk about all things crypto related, NFTs, meme coins, the best opportunities in the market right now. Myself, our team of analysts, find you the best opportunities, try to give it to you in a very digestible way. Like I said, it's only $1 to get started. The link's down below, and we'll see you on the inside.